Hey everybody, I got my shoes. Bought me some shoes from Nike. Look at that, say do it. Just do it. Let's open it up. A box in another box. Let's turn it around. Nike. Let's take them out. And here we go. White. I said green. Son of a bitch. Damn it. Let's look at these. I thought I put green. Green writing on it. That's it. 2000. Let me say zoom on it. Look at that. Is there anything in here? Got the shoestrings. We got the paper that comes with it. Here's the other shoe. It's 2000. Zoom. These just came out too. Man, I thought I got all the green. This is white and freaking black. That's okay though. Gets inside. Oops, size. Size 8, man. There it go. Is there anything else? Oh, that's it. So that is the shoes I got today. These just came out about a couple of days ago. I was about to get these PG ones. I still might get those that just came out. They looked nice, so these are cool. Look at the green. I thought it was gonna be all green though.